channel?
Yes, you can.
Wow. Have you done it before here?
Yeah.
Yep.
You go right by the waterfall or what?
Yeah, we're gonna go in that waterfall.
You go in the waterfall? Ah, I want to go. They're going rappelling into the waterfall. Amazing, perfect timing. So I just met these guys that are rappelling down that waterfall. And I read that people rappel down this waterfall. I am going to get them to let me rappel down the waterfall on their cool equipment. Because that would be freaking awesome. Look at this thing. They're gonna rappel down this waterfall. I'm gonna ask them if I can go too. But first I'm gonna film them and put them on my YouTube channel too. Yay, what a great day. Woo! Okay, we got some ropes here. These guys are gonna rappel down this waterfall. How cool is that? Yay! Oh, here's another one in the waterfall. Oh, slippery. Haha, nice. Not a bad way to cool down. There they are. Going from the top. Woo! I'm gonna ask these guys if I can go, but they look very Mormon. The dad is probably like, these guys are boobies hanging out in front of my kids. So, I can see him saying no, or they don't want me to get hurt or something, but I'm gonna ask him right now anyways. To my surprise, he said yes. I'm gonna go do it right now. Woo! Thanks, guys.
Yep, yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Thank you, Mark.
No problem.
High five. Hey. Thanks, man.
Thanks.
Have fun.
Thanks.
Bye. Have a good one. These guys are so cool. Boy Scouts of America. Let me use their harness. Another beautiful day in Utah. Woohoo! Well, much to my surprise, they let me use their gear. Super sweet guys. And I am stoked. I got to rappel down a waterfall today. Totally didn't even expect it. Yeah, that's what life is all about, baby. Open to adventure. Woo!